Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video for the festive season. I'll be showing you how to make a quick and easy home decor for Christmas. So let's get started. For today's video, I'm using a honey bottle. I'll start by dabbing the white acrylic color all over the bottle. Make sure you cover all the sides evenly. Next, I'll be using fine glitter powder to add some shimmer to my bottle. For this, I'm using the Art DIY glitter, which is a pack of 12 colored glitter powders. And for today's project, I'll be using the white pearl glitter. Using a separate dry sponge, begin dabbing the glitter on the bottle while the white color is still wet. If you prefer, you can also sprinkle the glitter over the bottle and then dab it with the dry sponge. You may not be able to see the shimmer at this point, but it is clearly visible on the completed bottle. So stay with me till the end of this video. I have some Christmas theme image transfer sheets from two brands. One is Transfer On from Crafty Wings and the other is from iCraft. So let's use these sheets for our video today. Select the design you want to use and fussy cut it. Before you begin sticking your design on the project, make sure that the paint has dried completely. Peel off the thin protective film from the design and then place it face down on your bottle. Then using a spray bottle, spray water on the back of the design. Let the design get soaked nicely. Next, press the design with a sponge so that the design sticks to the surface. Keep spraying water and pressing with the sponge until the paper backing begins to slide off. Let's take one more design. Please make sure that you let the previous design dry completely. It just takes about 10 to 15 minutes to dry. After your design has dried, apply decoupage varnish to seal your project. Apply at least 2 to 3 coats and let each coat dry completely before you apply the next one. Now that my varnish has dried, I am going to enhance the look of my bottle by tying a red ribbon around the neck. As you can see, I have painted the lid of the bottle and stuck a cute little reindeer pig on it. I am holding the bottle up close to show you the shimmery glaze on the bottle. The glitter really gives a pretty and snowy effect. I have applied the glitter on the lid as well. Place a small LED candle inside the bottle to give it a festive look. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Do try this technique and share your creations with me on my Instagram or Facebook page. The links are shared in the description box below. If you are here for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel and stay tuned for more such interesting videos. Thanks for stopping by. Take care and stay safe.